Looking for the best multimeters? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 multimeters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Cinder Digital Multimeter. Reads the 10 most needed functions and has a vivid LCD screen with backlight. Can be used wirelessly or with leads. Solid build and affordable price. Practical for most home and auto applications, but not a pro-level tool. If you turn to the owner's manual for help, you may not find it there. Sometimes takes several tries to get voltage readings. Issues with capacitance readings have been reported. User manual could be more detailed. At number 2. Astro AI TRMS 6000 counts digital multimeter. A great value thanks to features and capabilities that compare to commercial level tools, auto ranging, rugged build, sharp readout, and an impressive range of tests. With a high number of functions found in pro-grade multimeters and a lower price, it's by far the best choice if you want a top-notch budget deal. Lacks a few high-end features, like non-contact voltage testing. At number 1. Fluke 115 Compact True-RMS Digital Multimeter. Versatile, accurately measures continuity, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and more. Has a solid build, large backlit screen, and excellent safety rating, Cat 3, 60 volts. A top-of-the-line multimeter for DIY applications, it's also capable of handling most pro-level electric testing needs. Competitors can't beat its safety, accuracy, and intuitiveness. A few reports of missing or faulty parts upon arrival. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.